Can you guys hear me clearly? All right, now it's coming out. So they can't hear me. Check the microphone then. How's it going? How's it going, guys? How's it going? How's it going? If you can hear me now, drop number one. Drop number one. Let's be sure. Just drop one. If you can hear me clearly, I want to go straight. I want to teach you how to trade forex. This is purely for the beginners. Somebody say loud and clear. Loud and clear. Okay, let me remove this. Okay. All right. So let's be using this one for a while. So today I want to teach you guys how to just day trade from your mobile phone. So this is going to be very beginner friendly for everyone who's going to be watching me. It's all about beginners class. So for the meantime, I'll let Shams. Shams, you take it away for now. Talk about how to trade, what to be expecting as a day trader on US30, what the right time frame. Show us your analysis. Okay, why get this microphone fixed up? All right, Shams, thank you very much. You take it away now. How's it going, Shams?
It's going on well. It's going on well. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, drop one on the chat box. Can they hear me?
Clearly. All of us can hear you. You take it away. Take it away,
Yeah,
Shams.
I am actually happy. Like I'm super excited. I don't know why. So let's get started, right? Let me share my screen and show you the analysis I'm seeing for the day. Share analysis. Share screen. Share screen. Mute website notification. Mute website notification. Entire screen. Yeah. Allowed. Allowed. Can you guys see my screen? Is my screen clear right now? You guys see my screen right now? Can you guys see my screen? I'm sharing my screen at the moment. Good. This is basically what I'm seeing on US30, right? You know that I only trade US30, and for those that are new into this our channel, my name is Shams, right? So this is what I am seeing on US30. First off, I would love to go on a higher time frame to actually do what my top-down analysis. And the higher time frame right now, I will go on 4-hour time frame to actually see what US30 is doing on 4-hour time frame. Now, if you pay closer attention to what US30 is doing at the moment, you will discover that it's a downtrend on US30. The market is selling massively for like 1 month also. So whatever we should be doing, they say that you should follow the trend because the trend is your friend. You actually don't have money or capital to go against the trend. So the first thing we to do is we go on a higher time frame and see the market. Right now, we can see that, okay, the market is clearly on a downtrend. So it has already given us a clue on what to do, right? We should be watching out for what? A sell, a sell, a sell. Now, I need to come back down towards smaller time frame. Since I'm a day trader, I need to come down to smaller time frame to actually what? See what is happening to get an entry. And of course, you know that before you what? Start trading US30, we start trading anything from 2:30 p.m. So any setup I'm going to see right now is just for seeing sake. I'm not going to pay much attention to any setup right now because the time I used to trade US30 is not yet that time. So now I'm towards switch my time frame toward 1-hour time frame. Now when I switch my time frame to 1-hour time frame, I'm to pay attention to key zone right now. This is where the market or the to me. I need to pay attention to each and every candlestick that is forming at the moment. Now you can see something that is called is happening. Already I've gotten an entry in the morning, but then I did not take the entry because my time for trading is not yet what ready. What on the chart, you know that this is a falling wedge, right? There's inverse of this is what rising wedge, but this one is a falling wedge, and pattern like this signify continue sell. Now you can see that okay, I've what put it inside a channel with expecting that it pass this channel. That's when I should what take my entry. Now it has what successfully break out this channel. You can see what I am saying now. If you can, that this is the right time to even start shorting US30, like shorting, sell US30. But right now, we need to wait for what CNBC to confirm what our entry and everything. And CNBC will be released by 2:30 in an hour plus right now. So I am what waiting for this market because you can see the other prediction right here. So I'm to switch 15-minute time frame to position my entry. Now on 15-minute time frame, this is basically what I am seeing, right? Look at it here right now. So I am waiting for this market to drop a bit. Then what? Follow the sell. Anything we should be doing right now, it should be of a sell on US30, right? It should be of a sell, not a buy. And CNBC has confirmed that, okay, the sell is valid and it's also a downtrend. So this is what I am seeing for the week. Now, if you check again, we go further. Let's try to give a meaning to all this chart that we're doing, not that we're just making noise up and down here. But let's try to give it. There's a line coming up from higher time frame. This is the trend actually held the market for long price to excuse me. So I expect this price to drop down to somewhere around here, this trend line, before it would actually reverse or retrace. That is what I am seeing on US30 for today and probably for tomorrow. So the fact that it's on a downtrend, does that mean we should all start taking an entry? No. It means that we wait for what? Price action on key zone. So I hope that you guys understand what I said right now. If you have any question for me, you can all put it on the chat box. I don't know why I'm super excited today. I don't know why. I'm super excited. So if you have any question for me, I'm willing to answer you guys. Okay. US. Someone said I pay for mentorship this morning, and I got a message in my Gmail. The WhatsApp link isn't bringing up the group in my WhatsApp. I have chatted the support, and I am still yet to be added in the group. You will be added, Mr. Splendo. You will be added soon. Just give the tech team a little bit time. You will be added. Welcome to the team, man. You've made the right choice. Any question on US30 for me? Okay, I saw someone is saying I paid. I'm super excited about everything. Not that I'm super excited about the chart, right? Yes, I only trade US30. That's my main pay. Yes. Yeah, price action is basically the behaviors of candlestick on a main zone. That's what price action means. Behavior of candlestick on a main zone. That's just what price action means. You also need thank you, Shams, your head they shine. You also need to understand that US30 is very volatile. So whatever you should be doing when you're trading US30, your stop loss should be a bit high. You should give the market a benefit of doubt, a breathing space. You don't use 10 pips or 20 pips as stop loss when you're trading US30. You don't use that, please, because it will end up taking you out and then coming back to your direction. So you don't use it, please. Okay. Let me see.
Shams, thank you very much. Amazing. Shams, you good, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. That was very insightful. So I just saw someone right now say, please, can I visit the office? Please respond to that guy. Respond to him.
Yeah, you can visit the office to make inquiries about our mentorship, though we don't have physical class at the moment, right? But you can visit the office to actually know that, yes, what we're doing is real. Yeah.
Exactly. All right. So thank you very much, Shams. I appreciate it. That's so insightful. I'm sure you shared your bias for the week and all of that, right?
Yes, let me answer this guy. Favor, he said, what's the minimum capital to use to trade US 30? Anything from $30 and above, you can trade US 30 with.
Okay. Thank you very much, Shams.
You're welcome.
Nice. So guys, today I want to show you on how to trade from A to Z. All right. Last weekend I dropped a video on how I trade my best friend on how to trade Forex. So if you've not seen that video, I recommend you go check it out right now. All right. And if you've seen that video, you've only seen it once, I recommend you go back and see it. If you're a newbie, go see that video again so that you can actually learn. So that video was intentionally recorded so as you all can as well learn while you also learn alongside. All right, so I would really like that you guys go back to that video to watch. But however, I'm going to be doing like a light continuation about what I did there so that you guys, with your smartphone, you'll be powerful. That's what I just want to do. With your smartphone, you can be able to buy, sell, market, any market condition, any chart analysis at all. All right, so I'll just go ahead and start sharing. I'll start sharing some of my screen. How can I share the screen? How can I share the screen to stream you out here? Can I share the screen? I don't think so. Or we have to connect to Zoom. All right, so first you have to have MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 downloaded on your mobile phone. All right. MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and then mobile phone. It's that easy peasy. So let me show you the app that you should be looking at forward to downloading. So it's just as easy as going to Google Play Store for the Android user or going to the Apple Play Store. All right, so you just type MetaTrader 4 like this one. So there's MetaTrader 4 and there's MetaTrader 5. Any one of them that you want, just make sure that if you download MetaTrader 5, you have to select MetaTrader 5 with your brokerage. All right. If you have MetaTrader 4 downloaded, also select MetaTrader 4 with your brokerage. Okay, so that's just what really matters. So any broker that you choose, make sure that they're regulated and they have good service. That's what I just have to advise you. All right, you can go ahead and choose brokerage, any one of them that you want. So we have examples of XNext, Quaco Markets, etc., and all of them. There are a lot of them. There are a lot. There is a FBS right now. There are a lot of other ones. So I don't want to recommend any brokerage to you, but just go ahead and do your own personal research. All right. So once that is done, you've gotten your brokerage and you've done it MT4, then that's where we can start sharing screen. Please go ahead. How do I share the screen to them? Is this Zoom connected there? Let's team view. Okay, now share the entire screen. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm trying to share my entire screen so you guys can really follow along. I want to show my phone, and that's not possible with this streaming app that we're using. Just give us a sec, we'll have that sorted. Okay, so one thing you guys also have to know, let me just tell you some facts about trading. It's not a get rich quick thing. Don't think, okay, you get rich in a couple of days trading, or get rich in about a month or two. Yeah, anyway, there's what we call beginner's luck. That still works, but then that doesn't mean it works all the time, 100%. All right. So I'm live on Zoom now. What do I do? You're sharing here. How do you connect here? Okay. Thank you. These things are getting complicated every day. All right, so let me share it on WhatsApp. Okay, I'm coming. Let me do that right now. Okay, let's share it to a person. From there, you copy out. Okay, so trading is not actually a get rich quick thing. It's something that it takes time for you to master. But one thing is, once you have it mastered, trust me, that's like a forever thing. You know how to buy, you know when to buy, you know when to sell, and all this type of cool stuff. So that's why I always recommend that you learn how to trade and make sure that that's a must. the network is messing around now. I'm not sure. It is the 5G now, you know. Okay, bring it closer. All right, sure. You should show now. Where's Suggestion? Suggestion was really going well. Is this network, I guess? Okay, is this network? What network is that is working here? No. All right, I think nice. I'm here now. So sorry about that, guys. I think everybody can hear me now. Check the feedback. Let me be sure if you can hear me. Let me be sure. Sorry about that. I was trying to plug my phone. I think I've been able to crack that now. I'm able to crack that. I cannot plug my full screencast my phone to you guys. Is it clear? So I should be sharing the entire screen now. So to be sure that they can see my phone screen. Can you see my phone screen? Everybody can see my phone screen. Okay, amazing. Okay, so connect this one for me so I can see feedback. Yeah, let me see feedback here. Let me to Zoom and YouTube. Okay, good. So today I want to show you guys how to actually basically okay, good, nice view. Yeah, use this one, Jaren, so in case anybody asks questions, we'll be able to pick it up from there. Nice. So I want to show you guys what to do. So if you're on the iPhone, it's as simple as you going to your app store, swipe down, come to your app store, search for MT4 or MT5. I think this is what they will. You guys will definitely love this teaching because it's very practical today. It's very practical. It's going to be very practical. So you just come on here, download MT4 or MT5, any one of these two apps. But the thing is, if you select one, usually you can just have two of them. Me, I have both of them. So if you select MT4, make sure you select MT4 at the back end into your brokerage. Select MT5, also make sure you select MT5 too at the back end into your brokerage. All right. So with that said, now let's launch this application. So I want to teach you guys how to rightly use these apps. So if you launch MT4 on this my MT4 here, it is going to bring you first to quotes, or maybe a place where you need to sign up. So you have to click on settings, click on this side, and then click on the plus sign. On this plus sign, it's going to give you a place to log into an existing account. So logging into an existing account will mean you click on log into an existing account. It will require that you put in the broker that you're using. See, the brokers have all the brokers I've used so far on this particular app since I installed it. I've used Quaco Markets, I've used Xness, and I've used E8 Funding. I've used IC Market. So based on the server that you're giving, that's what you're going to impute here. Let's say, for example, I was giving Quaco Market Real. Quaco Market Real. So I'll just type in Quaco Market Real or demo, any one of them. If I type in Real, so I'm going on the login side, I'm going to put my login there, and on the password side, I'm going to put in my password. All right. So that's how to have that done. Now, the next thing is you're going to come on here on quotes. Are you guys following up? Bring it for the feedback. Bring it for the feedback first. These are not ones to log in for stuff. Okay. Okay. Make it live. Okay, good. So once you're on quotes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on your soft bottom key. We have 5 keys. We have quotes, we have charts, we have trade, we have history, and we have settings. So on quote side of things, pay attention, please. Is there any way I can remove this thing? Okay, it has to just be there. So on quote side of things, quote is where your currency pairs are. You notice there are two favorites, there are two most important buttons here. The one to your left hand side, right, the pen tool. This one helps you to edit the currency pairs, and then the plus sign helps you to add new one. Let's say, for example, I want to add new pairs like Euro USD, like this. I'll just click on it. So immediately I click on that plus sign, it immediately appears to be at the front. So they're no longer 2 now. We now have about 3. All right, we now have about 3. So this is how you go ahead and add any of your favorite chart that you want. So let me go ahead and add USD JPY, which is United States dollar and Japanese yen. So all I have to do is to click on that plus sign on search USD JPY. So I'm doing this lesson in continuation with what you guys have watched in the previous video, like teaching my best friend how to trade Forex. So that's what I'm just doing. So you click on this plus sign at this bottom, this green, and then you go ahead and add it to USD. You add USD JPY to the front screen. So this is how you keep going on and on to add your favorite pairs to the chart. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So once you're done with this one, then, okay, let's make this one like a full screen so that everybody can clearly see it. Let me make it a full screen. Yeah, so you can only see this one now. Good. Please, can you go ahead and like this video? I see I only have 240 something, like when we have about more than 1K people right now streaming. Go ahead and like, because I'm about to go deeper on 2 important things. Setting up your chart. Someone says the picture isn't clear. Maybe it's the network or something. It's clear, very clear. Okay, good. So maybe it's their network. Okay, so now let's go. So if you're already here, then the next thing you want to do, you want to click on chart. Chart is the next button that is at the bottom, this one right here. Can you see my cursor? If I point a cursor, you can see. So this one at the bottom here is called charts. So you click on charts. So in order for you to have, you notice that yours might not be at this neat as mine is, all right? So in order for you to get to this place to edit this neatness, let me go to GPS here. I love to use GPS as an example. In order for you to have like your bull candle to be blue and your red candle should be bearish, bearish should be red, what you have to do, you have to come to settings, and then you head straight to charts, okay? And you want to click on colors. So if I were you now, I'll just go ahead and take a screenshot of what I have now on the screen, and then I'll replicate on my end. So go ahead and take a screenshot just like this. Take a screenshot, and then at your free time, Where I have foreground is black, you turn yours to black. My grid is white, you make it green. My bar up is blue, bar down is red, bull candle is blue, bear candle is red, like that. Every other thing, just leave it the same thing. These are the most important part of this thing. You find out that you will have exact same chart settings that I have. All right, that's clear. Good. So the next thing, again, you have to notice that I have like lines across my chart. I have some are green, some are horizontal lines, some are green, some are red. So what you could do in order for you to do that is there is object button at the top right here. This one right here, this one. So I'm just going to click on that. So this is where you pick up the horizontal line, the diagonal line, which is trend line. We have the rectangular line. We have the Fibonacci retracement. We have the arrow too. We have the vertical line, and we have the like on the 90 line too. This way you get to play. Anyone I pick now, you see it will come to the forefront of it. So now this is the trade side. On the trade side of things, this is where you have balance, you have equity, you have margin, you've got free margin, and you also have margin level percentage. Let me explain what all these things does for you as a trader. Balance is an amount of money, your actual amount that you fund and you put in your trading account. All right, it doesn't change until your closed trades, your placed trades are closed. All right. Then equity is free margin minus, usually free margin minus margin. All right, or equity can be your current floating profit or loss plus or minus your balance. All right, so equity is simply amount of money that you have left in your bank account, in your trading account, amount of money that you have left. If you close your trade right now, that's your equity will soon is going to be your soon to be balance. All right, why margin? Margin is an amount of money, your 1% that you pull down. All right, whenever you're in any contract, whenever you're buying or selling in any contract, you bring in 1%. So margin is that 1% amount of money that you use to indulge yourself in that trade. All right, why 99% is being brought to the table by your brokerage, which is in form of leverage. So that's leverage, 99% that the broker bring. Then we have free margin. Free margin is an amount of money you have left, free money to place new trade, to be able to place your 1%. It's your free money that is left for you to keep placing new trade. Margin level percent. Margin level percent is in form of percentage. According to brokers, they have it set like less than 100 or depending. So if it's usually less than 100%, you should be worried because when it depletes to a certain level, you start having a margin call. A margin call is a process where your broker will have to close out your highest loss in order for them to protect themselves against any loss that your account might incur to them. So that's margin level percent. I think that's how best I can explain it for now. Then coming to the bottom, we have history. History shows the day, your week result, month, and etc., etc., etc. So my last week, I was only able to make 62,000. That's because I made some money and I also lost a chunk of it back again. So this is why I'm showing this week's result. All right. So there's monthly, I can make custom and anything. So now, most important part of it now is placing trade. So there is a sign at this bottom right here. That's cross sign. If you click on it, it shows you how to place trade and when to the parameters of a place where I can place trade. All right, just hold on. I can see this question. I'm coming on. So if you want to place the trade right, all you have to do is to click on the other types. So on Android, I think it's called instant execution, but on iPhone, it's called market execution. So if you select market execution, that simply means you want to be quoted in the current market bid or ask price right now as we speak. All right, you want to be quoted right now in the same market. All right, but if you want to set a pending order like a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, then you can go ahead and select any one of these one. All right, but this will require you to put a price where you want to be picked at. All right, so this line right here, this first line is where you look at. Let me demarcate it for you guys. Annotation. I don't seem to have annotation right here. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to annotate on the screen. All right, so it's not coming out. So on this first, where you have minus 0.1, minus 0.01, 100, that's where you specify a lot size. So lot size is what guarantees how much you're going to make, whether you're going to be making less, you're going to be making lots, or you're not going to be making so much money at all. So that's lot size. So you can just go ahead and decrease by pressing this one with with minus 0.01. If you click minus 0.01, that is, it's only going to be decreasing the lot size in minus 0.01 form. But if you want to make it faster, you go ahead with minus 0.1. So if you also want to increase it, you press this plus. But for me, I'll say just click on it and edit what you want manually. So if you want to do 1 standard, just do 1.0. Right? If you want 10 standard, just do 10.0. If you want 0.0, just do 0.01. That's all. So let me experiment with 1.0. And this line where it says stop loss is where you're supposed to put your stop loss level, your stop loss level. So you're supposed to impute your stop loss after you've done your analysis. I'm going to analysis pretty soon. So, but this one, I just want to show you how this app works. And then take profits is where is an order that you give to your brokerage that anytime price gets to this point, I'm satisfied rather. I'm satisfied. So hit me out in profit. Okay, hit me out in profit. So that's what take profits are. Okay. So, and also you can just click, if you are buying, you click on buy by market, like you click on this buy by market. If you're selling, you want to click on sell by market. So any one of them you just choose is absolutely fine. So let me do example with one standard lot size. Just no, one standard lot size will be too much because I'm not doing any analysis. Please, I'm not trading. Guys, be careful. I'm not trading. So I'm just going. I just want to show you guys other features. Invalid stop loss, invalid. Oh, I left those things there. Mistakenly. So I'm not placing any stop loss. I didn't place this trade with stop loss. No, nothing. I just want to use this one to do an experiment. So once I click 0.01, 0.01 loss size simply means for every pip movement, I'm going to be making 10 cents. Also, if you also go against me, for every pip movement that it goes against me, I'll be losing 10 cents. Make sense? So you can see how immediately the equity is fluctuating now. Check 2292896.55. Now it's 5.3. So it just keeps fluctuating, correct? So we also have the margin. So the margin that allows me to place this trade now, my 1% I bring in is $12. So the broker bring other 99% to be able to place this trade. That's leverage, what the broker brings. I'm sure that's clearer now. Then the free margin is how much I have left to place new trade. So if I still want to go ahead and place new trade, so I still have 2,292,804.30 cents left right now. Okay. The margin level percent, you can see is a lot of percent. This is 18 million percent, right? Because this is in form of percentage. So I still have got a lot of money to place new trade. That's because I'm just using 0.01. All right. So if you are trading safe this way, you see that you are nice, you're good. You're not under any threat or anything. Is that the car? Okay, you're not under any threat or anything. You're good. All right. So now I just expand this trade, GBP USD. You see, on the side of stop loss, you see it's showing a dash. There is nothing in there at all. And on the side of stop loss, there's nothing. TP, there's nothing in there. That's because I've not specified one. So now let me go back to chart. So going back to chart will mean I have to click on this button, right? To click on chart. And then I want to show you guys. Let me zoom on in. So zoom in. That dotted line you see right there where it says sell 0.01 is my entry point. My entry point. All right. So I want to be able to put stop loss. I want to put stop loss now. So since I'm selling, stop loss should be at the top. All right. Take profit to be at the bottom because I want price to go down to the bottom to take me out in profit. And if you keep going up against me, I want to take me out in loss. All right. So now I'll just have to click on this crosshair. There's a crosshair sign at this top. Right here. There's a sign, this crosshair thing here. I'll click on it. Then I want my stop loss to be here for some reason. I've not done any analysis. I've been teaching you guys how to do analysis, those what all the while. But right now, I want to show you guys how to place stop loss and take profit. So now this is what I want to be my stop loss. Let me use here as an example. All right. So stop loss is going to be 1.23961. 1.23961. So I'll just come on back here. I'll swipe to my left hand side. click on the pen tool, this pen tool, right? This pen tool. Click on this pen, and then I'll 1 point, what do I call that? 1.34. I've forgotten. Let me go back again. If you forget, you can always come back here to check. Let me change it now. 1.3951. 1.3951. 1.3951. So that's my stop loss. So if I click on modify, so this trade automatically have been assigned a stop loss. I just assigned. So you now see this trade is showing that it's sell 0.01, and then this is my stop loss ID. And then if price gets here, it's going to hit me out in loss. So that way it's controlled. So this is why I call Forex as one of the risk-free business you can ever be in, because it allows you to predetermine your risk even before you go on it. So any risk that's controllable to me is no risk. Hence why I said that it is a risk-free business. All right, it's a risk-free business because I can control the risk. Makes sense? So now let's talk about take profit. Take profit is whenever you're no longer with your phone or anything, if price gets here, it will take you out in profit. All right. So let's check where the prices are. So the price for the take profit is going to be at 1.23723. So I'll go back again, repeat the same process. 1.23723. I'm zooming in so you guys can clearly see it. 1.23723. I'll swipe. Then I'll click on this pen tool. 1.23723. 1.23723. All right. I'll click on modify. So once I click on the modify, the order has been modified. Now let's expand again. You can see this has been assigned a take profit too. All right. So this is how trading works. Now you see it's currently fluctuating. It's in blue right now. Sometimes it will go in red. Let me wait for it to go in red so you guys can see two of them. So it's color coded. So if it is blue, that means you are in profit. Everywhere is blue. If it's in red, that means you are negative. Now since it's in $12, let me swipe here to close trade. To close trade, I have to press on this. I have to click on this check button, this check sign. I'll click on it. If I click on it, it's saying close with profit 0.15 cents. I would like, yes, I want to close. So it will immediately close here. So I just made about 15 cents. This is how Forex trader make money using mobile phone. So now the complex side, or where things get a little bit more advanced, is when you start doing analysis, which is what I'm telling you guys now. So people might be like, why do I need since phone can do all of these things, Jeff? Since phones can do all of these things, Jeff, why do I need a laptop? Here's where you need a laptop for a broader view now. So let me take you to the side where you'll be needing a laptop, because it's pretty important that you have a laptop too as well. So I'll stop sharing now so I can just share only my. So you do your analysis. I do my analysis on my laptop using on my trading view. All right. So trading view is where I get to know, okay, is this market going to be a sell right now? Is it going to be a buy? What should I be looking out forward to? Should I be waiting at the next resistance or next psychological level? What should I be doing? So you do your analysis right here on this screen, which is trading view, and then you place trade off of your phone, because on trading view is more modern. It gives you a better viewing experience, and you have more tools to just basically play around with. You have more tools to play around with, all right? And then you can easily share trades off of here with your friends, your colleagues, and just the same way I share trades on my Telegram channel. So if you're not a part of that Telegram channel, make sure you're a part of that. So maybe some other time we'll get to talk about analysis, because I talk about chart analysis almost every now and then. So I just think it's time for me to bring back I know we have new subscribers now, new followers. So I have to make sure I show you guys how to set things up on your phone, and then you can follow suit with us. So anytime I call a trade, all you have to do is you get the take profit, get the entry point, get the take stop loss. You go on your phone and you follow through with this process I just showed you right now on my mobile phone. So I think it's time for me to take some comments. So if you have any question, go ahead and ask. I'll delve into that right now. Okay. Does this strategy work on crypto? Yes, it does work on crypto. Now let me talk a little bit about trading. If you know how to trade Forex, you can trade crypto, you can trade CFDs, you can trade companies, that stocks like Meta, Tesla, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, anything tradable. You can trade every damn thing. Apple, you can trade that. All you just have to know is learn how to do analysis. All right, that's with trading. Now, how can you be able to trade all these things? Let me show you how you can trade Apple, how you can trade stocks, and all those kind of things. So all you have to do is to come on TradingView. So once you come on TradingView, come on here. You click on this pair, on the pair side of things. Oh, I don't think it's too zoomed in. Let me go back here and share. Okay, everybody can see it. Good. So you click on pair right here, this side. You see where we have GBP/USD here. You click on it. That's symbol search. And then you come on here and you type their code. For Apple is AAPL. That's Apple's code. So you can see Apple Incorporation as presented by NASDAQ. It's part of NASDAQ here, stock. So I'll click on it. This is Apple stock. So you can start trading Apple. Instead of using that money to buy Apple iPhone 15 only, you could actually just take that money to also invest it in trading. So now you notice that on 15 minutes time frame, Apple is really facing a difficult time because it dropped. There's a drop in their stock price, right? So anytime it drops, because you know that Apple is bullish. Apple is not small; it's bullish here. Yeah? You still would go up. You put in your money here, watch it where it go. Right now it's $174. $174. So you put it. This is how you can actually trade. But please do not just put money without knowing how it works. This is just to answer the question that you can trade anything. So to answer for crypto, any crypto pair, yes, you still can trade crypto pair. You can trade Microsoft. You can do anything at all. Microsoft is MS. I think let me put it full name. Microsoft. Yeah, MSFT. This is Microsoft. You can trade anything at all, anything. But why don't I trade this pair? You would ask, right? Yeah, I don't trade these things because I know that there was a time I used to trade Amazon. I focused on trading Amazon, but now I'm just satisfied with just trading GBP/USD. I mean, I understand that pair really a lot. So for crypto, you come back here again, zoom in, you come back here, say I want to trade BTC/USD. That's it. This is BTC/USD. So I'll just click on here by Bitstamp, BTC/USD. So you can go ahead and start trading. So right now, Bitcoin is bullish on 15 minutes time frame. So if I go on a 4-hour time frame, I might see that it might be a different story. It's still bearish. All right. So this is how you can just go ahead and play around in any sphere. You can even trade. You can trade cocoa. You can trade sugar. You can trade crude oil, US oil. This is crude oil, US oil. You can trade any damn thing, anything that is tradable. You can trade them. All right. So I think I've answered that question. So let me go ahead. I'm taking more new questions. All right. Which broker can receive deposit of $1 and unlimited leverage? Now this guy is looking for a broker to wreck. Okay. Now a broker that can receive, I don't know, maybe you do your research. I think try Extens or Quaco. Try Extens. I think two of them can do that. They'll be able to receive that. They'll be able to. This hard foot. Why would you want to deposit $1? By the way, I'm asking for a friend. I don't know. Why do you want to ask? Okay, try Extens or try Quaco. All right. So thank you. Good leverage for $100 life account. So I'll say if you have $100 life account, not to fake things, choose a very high level because $100 you're not risking anything. By the way, $100. Choose 1 to 1,000. Any book recommendation? Yes. I'm currently on a book again, Richest Man in Babylon. Go read that book too. I like that book. But if it is on trading, obviously Mark Douglas, Trading is Zone. I'll recommend that over and over again. What other thing? What is my trading strategy? My trading strategy is clearly here on YouTube. If you've got free time, you can go over it again. John Isaac, you can go over it on here on my YouTube. You're going to see my trading strategy. Or you can be a part of our mentorship. All right. So being a part of our mentorship is super simple. All you have to do is just click on sales.fairpipsfx.com. So that would immediately take you to our sales channel, and then you'll be able to join our mentorship. It's easy peasy. So let me show you something real quick. So you'll be like sales.fairpipsfx.com. So on here, you put in your email and then they'll walk you through. We have mentorship of $50, $100, $205, any one of them that perfectly fits your size, your pocket size, and all that thing. All right. We need 25% coupon code for what? If it's consumer, I don't have that right now. We don't have that available. Someone says I can't withdraw on FBS. You recommended. Now, huge boss. I don't know why for some reason, but I'm still able to withdraw from FBS anytime I trade with them. I mean, they are legit broker. I see use them. I'm still able to withdraw. Maybe just the payment option. Remember, with brokerages, they like you to take your money exact same way you fund with them. For example, if you fund with them using crypto or local bank transfer, they will expect that you receive your whole money in total with local bank transfer too, or in crypto, all right, to avoid money laundering because people can really take advantage of systems. So that's why you may want to explore that and also reach out to their support. That is your ultimate goal. Reach out to their support if they'll be able to support you on this one. So let's talk about CPI news trading now. This is not what I wanted to choose. I wanted to select something. CPI is just a fundamental way of trading. CPI news trading, you have to have, I tell people, you have to have a direct source of where the news is really going to, okay, where it's going to go to in a couple of more minutes. Else, otherwise, you're playing around. You're just guessing. You're doing buy and sell and guessing because there are times that dollar will be strong. It will be a clear. The news actual will come out strong for the dollar. But what happened? That will still go weak sometimes, depending on the currency it's being paired against. For example, GBP/USD, and then the dollar is strong. What should happen ordinarily? GBP/USD chart should go down. But there are times that it could just flash down, maybe flash up again. Why? It might be that at that time, pound is very strong. So it's important you know what news is going to be released beforehand, at least a couple of minutes before. So you can take advantage of the sharp pull and then you exit. And then you exit. All right. I believe that's good. Okay. I think I've seen it all today. So guys, please kindly stay connected. I'm still going to be dropping part 2 of that video, which is how teaching my best friend how to trade Forex. I really want you guys to learn how to trade Forex. And if you want to fast track your trading journey, you can be a part of our mentorship. We're going to teach you from what is Forex up until you start cashing out money in your bank account. All right. So that's a promise here at FairPitchFS.com. So if you want to also stop by our office at Road 25, Ikotabila, Lekki, Lagos. All right. So we'll be expecting you if you want to stop by at our office to make inquiry and all of that nice stuff. So, but if you're not in Nigeria, if you're also not in Lagos, it's absolutely fine. We could always connect anytime I drop by in your country. I mean, I'm a very free person. And anytime you see me out there, guys, always make sure you holler at me. I definitely will say hi to you guys. All right. So signal for today, I don't have any signal for today because it's Monday. If you would ask me right now, checking the chart, I'll say sell. Chart is looking bearish. All right. Chart is looking bearish. But trust me, stay glued on my channel, on my signal channel. I'm going to be dropping a lot of signal because last week I lost money. You guys saw my losses, but this week I'm coming back really hard. I mean, really hard. I'm coming back really hard. So if you guys think I was making about, say, sometimes I was making $60-something thousand in a week, trust me, this new week, or maybe I'm making 200K or 500K or 400K and thereabout. Because trading is giving and taking. Sometimes I give a lot back, I make a lot too. So, but this week I'm going to be going harder. I'm going to be going so hard that you will be asking that you'll be wondering if I will ever stop trading. If I will ever stop trading. Maybe I'm just trying to meet up with some target and then I'll stop trading. That's what you'll be wondering. So use the comment section. There's a link in the comment section. Be a part of our Telegram, so you can also get the signals. All right. If you're new, please. Usually, our live chat doesn't get these. It doesn't lag this way. We are trying to really implement new systems by going live because I want to make sure you guys have a very nice live stream with us and make you have a very one-on-one feel. So that's why I'm really trying to invest in all this equipment you're seeing right here. Trying to work on our communication screen and everything. Don't worry, guys. I'm sure we'll definitely be able to figure it out. And by next week, we should be able to go live with you guys. All right. So until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep the fire peeping. And if you have any issues that you still want us to have cleared out, whether on consummate or whether it's on fire peep, please kindly do let us know. Send your complaint to the support. The message is, I mean, the community is getting larger and larger and larger, and we're also trying to control that. So please, it might take a little bit delay before you get responded to. Let's say about 20 to 30 minutes, and then you'll be responded to. I mean, on side of consummate. But if it's on fire people, it's ASAP, ASAP. Everything's ASAP. All right. Thank you. So that'll be it for now. So guys, take it easy. Bye.